What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take your haircut from this and how to make it look like this. Guys, I just want to start off by saying that this all starts with your actual haircut. You can't just try to style your hair a certain way or buy certain products to try to make it look a certain way. It needs to be cut right, it needs to be shaped properly, or else you're gonna fail at trying to get the look you want. So guys, getting into the video, I'm starting this off just by shampooing my hair. You can use any shampoo. I'm using this one by Verb that I just recently got. I like it a lot. When you're putting in the shampoo, you wanna make sure that you're rubbing it in thoroughly. You're not just putting it in your hair and then washing it out 2 seconds later. Really massage it into your scalp, let it sit there for a second, and then let it wash out. Guys, next up, I'm shampooing my hair. Again, massaging it in there, really letting the product get into the hair and into my scalp. You don't just want to put it on and wash it off. It's not going to do its job. Give it some time to work. Next step is pad drying your hair. You don't want to take a towel and start going crazy when it's wet. You want to slowly and gently pad it dry so that you're not going to damage any hair on your head. So as you can see here, I'm taking the towel and I'm just getting my hair to a level where it's damp and not wet. Next, I'm applying Argan Oil. This is gonna help your hair not get damaged by the heat of the blow dryer. It also leaves it silky smooth, which I absolutely love. If your hair is a bit on the longer side, this will give it a really nice finish once it's dry. It's not gonna be super frizzy and get too dried up from the blow dryer. And now it's time to blow dry, guys. Blow drying is a technique that takes time to learn. As you can see here, I'm putting this directional piece on the blow dryer. This is gonna help me not have to twist my arm as much because I kind of know which way I need to blow dry my hair to make it work. But how you wanna start off is just always pushing it back and pushing the blow dryer and your hair into the position you want it to go. So you can see I'm kind of starting here by pushing the hair backwards and to the opposite side so that I gain a little bit of volume. And then every once in a while, I'm gonna push it back the other way. So you kind of want to go back and forth, creating some volume, but also putting it back to the way that you want it to actually sit once it's finished. Again, not just blow drying the front, but blow drying the back of your head, the sides, making sure everything's all even, and moving the blow dryer in the motion that you want your hair to go. Guys, once it's all done and dry, this is when you're gonna apply your product. You don't want to apply too much. Less is always more. You want to start off with a little bit because you can always add more, but if you put too much at the beginning, it's going to ruin the whole thing. You're going to have to wash your hair out. So just feel it out because some hairstyles are going to need a little bit more product and some are going to need less. So see what works for you, start off slow, put it in and work it. As you can see here, I've applied the product in my hand and rubbed it in until you cannot see it. So you really want to get the products warm, get them rubbed in. Some of them will show depending if you're going for more of a clay or something a little bit lighter like a cream. So every product's different, but you always want to get it malleable. So really get it hot in your hands, rub it back and forth. One big tip I'm going to give you guys is that you need to get product on your fingers and not just your palms. Because your fingers are really going into the hair. Your palms are just kind of hitting the surface. You're not really getting them in there into the roots. And then from there, you're ready to style it. So get it all over your head, make sure it's evenly applied, put a little extra in certain spots that you want to hold a little tighter. And from here, you're just gonna shape it in whatever style that you're going for. And guys, as you can see, this is the end product. Really clean and simple haircut, classic timeless look. Bit of a pushback and kind of slicked over, and then shorter on the sides with a little strip here for separation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned some new tips so you can style your hair better in the future. Make sure to hit a like if you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.